Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I will be sharing a first psychological aid kit that I have assembled for traumatic situations which require immediate psychological assistance. I want to highlight that this kit is simply a tool for a trained specialist and has little practical value without the necessary training and skills. First psychological aid is a unique discipline that deserves a long and elaborate explanation, which is why in this short and simple video I'm only going to share the contents of my kit with a brief explanation. The kit itself is placed within a waterproof pouch in order to keep it dry, and it consists of a notebook to write down important information that the patient shares, tissues for the patient to wipe their tears with, water bottles in case the patient needs some water, a blanket to comfort the patient, and a teddy bear to comfort young patients. So these are the contents of my kit. I hope that you have found this video useful. Please consider giving it a thumbs up if you did, and if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. As always, thank you for watching.